Hey, my people. That's how they talk, eh? I did one place called Mamelodi. I'm here to work. They call me to become MC now. You know MC. Now Martin now. MC, Master of Ceremony. Now the way this boy they do. So I want to apologize in advance to this wicked thing called Mamelodi, that I will not be there present to witness my boys support you 3-0. I'm here doing a wedding for Mamelodi. So I want to send this important message to Sundowns. Make sure that you have eaten before this game, because you will not manage to eat. Even though this boy will not be there to witness it. Spiritually, spirits, mama, okonomo, nani, I'm there for FNB. Mamelodi Sundowns, watch out for my boys. So this one is just a small warning. That's how it starts. That's how they do it. 3-0. Expect that. No fight, oh. Make you not take this thing personal. This one not be personal, I beg. Now just common respect when we just want to sit out. You have disrespected us long time. For plenty times. Even when you know us. Referee. Today referee will not work. Will not work. Let me warn you. Your referee will not work today. Oh. Would I hear me so? Your referee will not hear. So let me apologize again to my supporters. Kaizer Chiefs as I will, that I will not be there to witness it. Just because I'm here doing my job. I'm sorry. I wanted to be there. But because of the small kobo way they collect for picking come eat, and they here, my people. Mamelodi Sundowns, we are coming for you. Spiritually, I've already said my things. I went to Shingele. Last night, we did do things for that. Our stadium, FMB. That's why they enter. Now, they enter your head. You don't go say anything. Tell your supporters they should behave. Make you don't make noise upon your mouth. Talk. They better talk now before the game starts. Because after the game, they will know me. They will know me. If you open their mouth up, go put glue for your mouth. That's who we are, Kaizer Chiefs. So this one is small warning to Mamelodi Sundowns. We don't come for you, my people. We don't come for you today. This one, Oga, landlord, Kaizer Chiefs master. Ota Shingele, behave. If you don't behave, now 5 you go get 2. Now 5 goals you go get. But if you behave, 3 will manage you. So let me go inside to do my job. My people, any person who get wedding, you want MC, come me, are they here? Any wedding where you want to do, come me, are they here? Any ceremony, divorce, if you are divorcing, you must make party, you must invite the same people that you invited before. I will do them, I will run the ceremony. And really, anything, if you want me to come and play with your pikin, if you want me to call your house, come play with your pikin, make your pikin laugh, as long as money there, I will call. Make I go enter inside too. I will see you after the game. That's all. Kaizer Chiefs. Make we shut there. Wait, we take what the come and I can now.